Hello everyone, welcome back to another English practice session. In our previous structure class, we learned how to talk about things people had in the past using a super useful structure. Today's video is all about practice, no explanation, just you will hear real life sentences so you can use this past procession structure naturally in your everyday conversation. Pay close attention, repeat after me, and let's get start our practice session together. I had a book before. I repeat, I had a book before. আমার আগে একটি বই ছিল। He had a car before. I repeat, he had a car before. তার আগে একটি গাড়ি ছিল। We had many friends before. I repeat, we had many friends before. আমাদের আগে অনেক বন্ধু ছিল। She had no problem before. I repeat, she had no problem before. তার আগে কোনো সমস্যা ছিল না। I had a pen before. I repeat, I had a pen before. আমার আগে একটি কলম ছিল। He had a new phone before. I repeat, he had a new phone before. তার আগে একটি নতুন ফোন ছিল। We had enough food before. I repeat, we had enough food before. আমাদের আগে পর্যাপ্ত খাবার ছিল। She had a good idea before. I repeat, she had a good idea before. তার আগে একটি ভালো আইডিয়া ছিল। I had a headache before. I repeat, I had a headache before. আমার আগে মাথা ব্যথা ছিল। They had a party last week. I repeat, they had a party last week. তারা গত সপ্তাহে একটি পার্টি করেছিল। I had no experience before. I repeat, I had no experience before. আমার আগে কোনো অভিজ্ঞতা ছিল না। He had a problem before. I repeat, he had a problem before. তার আগে একটি সমস্যা ছিল। We had a meeting before. I repeat, we had a meeting before. আমাদের আগে একটি মিটিং ছিল। She had a book before. I repeat, she had a book before. তার আগে একটি বই ছিল। I had no time before. I repeat, I had no time before. আমার আগে সময় ছিল না। They had no permission before. I repeat, they had no permission before. তারা আগে অনুমতি পায়নি। He had no complaint before. I repeat, he had no complaint before. তার আগে কোনো অভিযোগ ছিল না। I had a car before. I repeat, I had a car before. আমার আগে একটি গাড়ি ছিল। She had many friends before. I repeat, she had many friends before. তার আগে অনেক বন্ধু ছিল। We had enough money before. I repeat, we had enough money before. আমাদের পর্যাপ্ত টাকা ছিল।